Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA ViAX 500 if it keeps getting stuck. If it keeps getting stuck, there may be issues with the sensors, bumper, and similar parts. Remove the robot from the station. Make sure it's powered off, as that makes it easier. Lift the cover and find the turn-off switch. It should be in the off position, as in my case. Remove it slightly from charging so the light on the charger turns blue. Wait half a minute, and the wheels will unlock so they're easier to move. Use the handle on the back to take it out of the station and clean the sensors with a microfiber cloth. You can use it dry, with water or soaked in alcohol. While cleaning, also clean the charging contacts. Next, check the bottom of the robot. Dirt that may cause issues, so clean it with low or medium pressure water from a hose, not high pressure, which could damage the robot or dull the blades. If you can't use water, just use a wet cloth to clean the bottom and wheels, which are very important to keep clean. You can also use a brush to get in between and clean everything so it doesn't lose traction, and clean the front wheel as well. Once it's all clean, it should work properly. If it still doesn't work, you can adjust obstacle avoidance settings. Though on this robot there's no specific avoidance mode to adjust, it just avoids obstacles automatically. If you want to keep it out of certain areas, you can edit the map, click the map editing button, tap edit, and add no-go zones. These red areas are no-go zones where the robot won't enter. You can create them remotely by drawing a custom shape, or use line, square, or circle shapes, then move it to the desired location. The zone must be at least half a meter by half a meter in size, then tap on the screen and select what type of no-go zone it is, for example, tree, so it doesn't get stuck there. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.